For an upcoming build, I was deciding on some wheels, so I figured I'd do another unboxing. I had decided on using these. I'm not sure if they will work on the build itself, but I figured I'd just show you what's in the box anyway. So as usual with some Aoshima wheels, you get some tires. In this case it comes with a bit of a stretchy tire and some nice profile. I might be swapping those out for a bit fatter of a sidewall, as I don't really like the look of these, and these are really thin when they are mounted to the wheels and onto the body of the car itself. So I might be changing them. However, if you like the stancy look, these are definitely nice tires for you. Also, of course, comes with a nice small decal sheet and a couple of additional details, like a pinstripe for around the wheels, some extra decals for on the body, and even some license plate frames. The wheels themselves come molded in a chromy finish. They are the same width front and rear, and also the same size, and they look to have the same offset, or at least I think these are a bit deeper than these, but it's not really that much of a difference, and they are female fitment.